Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and the amazing nail art video of half moon. Viewers, you can see viewers, you can see 50 ideas of half moon nail art, which is in very much in trend and fashion. So watch my video till end for these wonderful ideas and enjoy the video. Viewers, welcome back to my channel. May hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty blessed you always like this prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can see on your screens, each and every nail art is about the half moon. Viewers, these are the 50 ideas for your fashion and trendy nails, which is on the half moon. You can make your nails with these ideas with the half moon trends. So, watch my video till the end. Enjoy the video, and if you like one of the idea from the video, write in the comment section. And if you like my video, then gives up a thumbs up button. And also watch visit my channel for more interesting and updated ideas of nail fashion. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon also, so that I can put a very trend and the fashionable ideas of nails. You can get notification first on your screen and watch my video, enjoy my video, and write in our comment section that if you like my video or not. Support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. And if you have an idea to watch on my channel about the nails, then write in comment section. Inshallah, we will try to fulfill your demand. Again, you can see watching your on your screen the chocolate brown colors with the pop-up colors, with the red colors, with the chrome colors, with the nude colors. Amazing ideas, amazing looks. If you like my video, then give us a thumbs up button. Don't forget to give thumbs up button. Stay tuned with us for more interesting and upgraded ideas of nail art, nail designs. Thank you for watching. We will be right back with the interesting and the fashionable trend of nails. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Remind